stronger every second. Join the fitness journey today. Strength is not built in a day, it's built in moments. Moments when you decide to keep going, moments when you push harder than you thought possible, moments when you rise even when you feel like stopping. And that is what this journey is all about. Becoming stronger every second. Not stronger someday, not stronger next year, but stronger with every rep, every breath, every step you take, starting today. This is not just another fitness message. This is an invitation, a call to action, a movement to join a journey that transforms your body, sharpens your mind, and elevates your life 1 second at a time. Today, you're stepping into a new chapter, a chapter where strength, discipline, and progress become your identity. Why stronger every second is more than a slogan. Because every second of your life gives you a choice. Push forward or give up. Stay comfortable or grow. Stay the same or evolve. You don't become strong overnight. You become strong second by second. The second you choose discipline, the second you choose effort, the second you choose you. This is your journey, your chance, your time. Strength begins with one decision. Every transformation starts with a simple decision. I want to be better. Not for others, not for praise, not for likes or comments, but for yourself. That one decision can change everything. Your confidence, your body, your mindset, your energy, your lifestyle. And once you make that decision, every second becomes an opportunity to grow. Your body learns. Your mind adapts. Your life changes. When you begin your fitness journey, something powerful happens inside your body. Your muscles activate. Your metabolism wakes up. Your energy increases. Your mind becomes sharper. Your endurance begins to rise, and soon, you notice something magical. You feel stronger than yesterday. Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. That's the beauty of fitness. It trains your body, but it transforms your life. The journey is not perfect. And that's the point. Your journey will have good days, tough days, slow days, strong days, but the goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. Every second you stay on track, you grow. Every second you push your limits, you evolve. Every second you refuse to stop, you transform. Progress is not about speed, it's about direction. And as long as you're moving forward, you're winning. One workout at a time. Your strength doesn't come from doing everything at once. It comes from doing something every day. One workout, one healthy meal, one stretch, one walk, one moment of discipline. These small steps create massive results. Your body responds to the effort you give it. Your mind responds to the challenges you embrace. Your life responds to the changes you commit to. And every second you choose the right action, you become unstoppable. Why you should start today, not tomorrow, not when I'm ready, not when life gets easier. Start now, because your future self is waiting. The sooner you begin, the sooner you unlock new confidence, a healthier body, a stronger mindset, better habits, a powerful lifestyle. Your journey doesn't need perfection. It needs courage, and you already have that inside you. Fitness is freedom. Being strong gives you a different kind of freedom. Freedom from low energy, freedom from self-doubt, freedom from unhealthy habits, freedom from excuses, freedom from weakness, physically and mentally. Fitness gives you power over your life. It builds a version of you that wakes up with purpose, moves with confidence, and sleeps with pride. You become a force, a leader of your own life, a champion of your future, and it all starts with 1 second. How this journey builds you physically. Your body becomes stronger, leaner, faster, and healthier. Mentally, you develop discipline, focus, and inner strength. Emotionally, you gain confidence, resilience, and self-respect. Spiritually, you feel connected, centered, motivated, and alive. Fitness is not just exercise. It is self-evolution. The secret to progress: small daily wins. Want the truth? You don't need a perfect workout. You don't need an expensive gym. You don't need extreme diets. You only need small daily wins. 10 push-ups, 20 squats, 10-minute walk, drinking water, avoiding junk food, sleeping better, stretching your body. These little wins add up and create a massive transformation. Every second of effort counts. The mindset of champions aren't born strong. They become strong by doing the simple things consistently. They show up even when they don't feel motivated, feel tired, feel discouraged, don't feel perfect, but they keep going. And that is what makes them champions. You have that same power inside you, and this journey will help you unlock it. Your journey, your pace, your strength. You don't have to match anyone else. You don't have to compare your progress. You don't have to look like someone else. This is your fitness journey. Every step you take is progress. Every second you grow is victory. You are becoming stronger every day, every moment, every second. Join the fitness journey. Today, on this journey, you'll learn how to build strength, how to burn fat, how to eat better, how to stay consistent, how to stay motivated, how to transform your mindset, how to unlock your best self. And with every video, every workout, every tip, every message, you grow. This channel is your guide, your support, your motivation, your fitness family. Together we rise, together we build. Together we become stronger every second. Your strongest version is waiting. Imagine waking up feeling powerful. Imagine looking in the mirror with pride. Imagine feeling unstoppable from the inside out. Imagine living with purpose, discipline, and strength. That life is real. That life is possible. That life is waiting for you, but only if you take the first step today. Don't wait. Don't doubt. Don't delay. This is your time, your moment, your new beginning. Join the fitness journey today and become stronger every second.